The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the matchbox as a 1-point perspective. So I put it like this. So imagine you were getting designs for architecture, and so what I'm thinking about is containers. They're really popular at the moment, and you can put them in all sorts of configurations. A lot of people are using them for buildings, houses, things like that. So this is one of the first combinations that I'm going to do of the inside of the box and the outside of the box. So I'm going to stand that up, and then I'm going to draw it as a 1-point perspective. So when you draw a 1-point perspective, it's good to start with pencil first, just so that you get all the guidelines in place. So the first thing I'm going to do is, with the box directly in front of me, I'm going to do the rectangle, and I'm just using pencil to get the foundations first. So whatever you look at in 1-point perspective is face on, and then I'm going to make it disappear to the vanishing point, which is up here. So there's only one vanishing point. So all the lines converge to this vanishing point up here. So, but the front of the box will be front on. So this is the outline of the box that's standing up, but then from the top of the box, anything that goes backwards goes back to this vanishing point. So I'm just doing these rough lines back to the vanishing point. So, and then I'm going to take this line across, so that signifies the back of the box. So from that point there, where the horizontal line intersects with the diagonal line, that's the back corner of the box. So from there I go down, so that's my inside line. So now, as simple as that, we've got the foundations for the 1-point perspective for the matchbox. And then if you were to put detail on the matchbox, everything's front on, so you don't have to worry about that going to a vanishing point. So then you just go back with your fine liner and go over all the lines that you've created, preferably straight. But this is the research stage of the design process. So these are just sketches. So it's just getting a feel for the packaging, some different ideas. Okay, and there you have it. Now, if I were to take that away and if I'd put on my detail, then I would have something like this underneath. And then if I were to go further and to build up form by adding shading, then I would take it a step further as well, by adding tone to give it that sense of depth. At the moment, it's just a flat outline of a shape.